So today's the day where we're finally going to start coding and start learning how to use the makecode.microbit.org website, which is what you see on the screen in front of you here. This is what the makecode.microbit.org website looks like. And this is going to be where we build all of the code to put into the microbit to use for most of our projects. And so this first project here that you're going to do today, once you're done watching this video, is complete a scavenger hunt for different puzzle pieces that are the code puzzle pieces. So if you're seeing this screen right in front of you, you'll notice the picture over here of the microbit, and you can like press the A button on it, you can press the B button on it, you can attach stuff to 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, the ground here. So anyway, but over here where it says on start and forever, that is where you are going to be building your code. Okay, and then these right here where it says, you see where it says basic, input, music, LED, radio, loops, logic, variables, math. And then if you click on advanced down here, it's going to open that up, and there's even a whole bunch more. So what each one of these are called are drawers. Okay, so this is the basic drawer. If I click on the basic drawer, it's going to open up, and now it's showing me these puzzle pieces. We call them puzzle pieces because they kind of have these little, I'm trying to zoom in, they have these little pieces where you can slot them together. Okay, like if I pull out the show LEDs, if it's not plugged into something else, if the puzzle isn't put together, then it doesn't do anything. But you see how that kind of lights up as you get it close there, that little yellow line pops up at the bottom of on start. That means it's about ready to lock in, so when you let go of it, it's going to lock in, and now you've put the puzzle together. Okay, these are called puzzle piece coding parts. Okay, so you will get the different puzzle pieces that you need inside of the drawers. So, this one's the input drawer, and it's got a whole bunch of different stuff in it. So, like, say you want when the A button is pressed, but see how that's a puzzle piece? So you're going to need some kind of piece to put it in. So maybe you're going to put, maybe you're going to put this puzzle into, if there's something in music, let me see. Like change tempo by, right? And then this when A button is pressed will fit into that puzzle. And actually that was a bad example. But let's go to variables. Okay? Or logic. On if, in this case this is if the A button is pressed, and then you can put those together and you can slap that on. So see how the pieces all fit together? Okay? That's why they're called puzzle piece coding. Anyway, if you want to get rid of a piece that's out here, you don't need it, we're over here, drop it in the trash can, or you can just click on it so it's highlighted. See how it got the yellow line? Just hit the backspace button. Okay? You don't want it, click on it, delete. Hit the delete button, and it goes away. Okay? Anyway, these are the drawers right here. There's basic, there's an input drawer, there's a music drawer, there's an LED drawer. This assignment that you're going to be doing is you need to go into the Google form, which you'll find. Actually, let me pull that up and bring it over here, okay? So this is, I'm going to pull it over here and put it on the screen. Right, so here is the Google form, the Let's Start Coding. Okay, you scroll down, you've clicked on here to watch the video. Now right here it says click here to begin the scavenger hunt. You're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up, okay, click on it. It's going to open up a scavenger hunt. And then it's going to say, in which drawer do you find a block that would allow you to add or subtract? Okay, so what I would suggest is if you got, this open here, and you can kind of resize it so that it fits, so you can see half of it on this side of the screen, and then have the make code open up, and I would make that smaller in there so that you can kind of see both of them at the same time. You can click back and forth easily, right? So you can see all your drawers. So it's going to say, in which drawer do you find a block that would allow you to add or subtract? Okay, so you want to go over here and look which drawer has add or subtract. And we're gonna do the first one together. Okay, so everybody should get the first one right. If you go over, I'm gonna say add or subtract. A good guess would be math, right? Math is where you add and subtract stuff. So if you click on math, it's gonna open up the math drawer. We gotta actually make it big enough. So click on it. Come on, why aren't we opening it up? Anyway, on yours it should be working where you can click and it'll open. My internet might have gone out. Let me refresh this real quick. refresh, okay? And then you go in and you're trying to answer in which drawer would you find a block that helps you add or subtract. Go over, click on math, and then look, you got add and subtract right there. So then in your Google form, you're going to answer, okay, math. But look, it's saying here, make sure that the first letter is capitalized and the word is spelled correct, because you need to make it look exactly like it looks over here. So I didn't do that right the first time, so I got to go back and do math. Okay, and then I can click next, and it's going to let me go to the next question. And you're going to go on. So you got to find each. There's going to be new questions. You're going to be able to find all of the answers in one of these drawers right here. If you have any questions, ask me. But that's what your first project is for today. Good luck.